of Africa and Middle East region. Emery celebrates every success story our family achieves. Nothing brings us more joy and satisfaction than seeing you, our dear members, to strive to reach even bigger accomplishment. Despite this pandemic, we strive to close this year strong, and so we have designed something that will help motivate you to the next stage of your Emery business, the road to Ambassador promo. This promo invites all our leaders to rank advance to the top ranks and create new success story from September 1 to November 30, 2020. Here's the mechanics. Rank advance as an elite manager, secure an accumulated 2,500 repeat sales points, and have 1 agency or above personal signups and receive a reward of 2,000 register points plus 1,000 points worth of merchandise from Emery. That's an extra reward equivalent to $485. Next, rank advance as a director. Secure an accumulated 2,000 repeat sales points, have 2 agency or above personal signups, and receive a reward of 2,500 registered points plus 1,500 worth of merchandise. That's an extra reward equivalent to $645. Next level, rank advance as a 1-star director. Secure an accumulated 2,000 repeat sales points, have 3 agency or above personal sign-ups, and receive an extra reward of 3,000 registered points plus 2,000 worth of merchandise from Emery. That's another extra reward equivalent to $805. Let's make it more interesting. Rank advance is a 2-star director. Secure an accumulated 1,800 repeat sales points. Have 3 agency and above personal signups and receive a reward of a brand new HP or Acer laptop with Core i5 specs. Next level. While as you rank advance as a 3-star director, secure an accumulated 1,600 repeat sales points, have 3 agency or above personal signups, you will receive a reward of a brand new HP or Acer laptop, touchscreen, and with a latest Core i7 specs, plus a brand new 3000 lumen Epson or Acer projector for your business presentations. And create history by being a Sapphire Ambassador this year as you secure an accumulated 1,500 repeat sale points, 3 agency or above personal signups, and receive a reward to do your business in style with a brand new Apple Mac, 1 brand new iPod Air, 1 brand new AirPods Pro, and 1 brand new iPhone XS Max. Let's not forget that with Emery's generous compensation plan, an elite manager enjoys $64,400 worth of bonuses plus an all-expense paid trip. A director enjoys a car reward. A 1-star director and above enjoys continuous travel points for future travel incentives. A 3-star director receives its 2nd car reward. And as you go up from 1-star director to Sapphire, you will enjoy higher level percentage of your director development bonus and same rank bonus. Don't forget to check out a full detailed memo with all of the information. Dream, believe, achieve. Take action to make progress. With the small successes and milestones being achieved, you will create the motivation you need to keep going. Remember, diamond is the goal. This is just the beginning of a great story, your success story. Congratulations in advance. Stay happy, stay simple.